Welcome to the Basics HQ, a place where future millionaires come to get inspired. In this video, we explore how to successfully start and run a food truck business. There has never been a better time to start a food truck business. In fact, the number of food trucks grew by almost 10% from 2022 to 2024. If you're looking for a money-making business idea, a food truck is a great one. Successful food trucks can bring in more than $500,000 per year, with startup costs from $40,000 to $200,000. Starting a food truck typically takes 3 to 12 months and requires the 9 steps below. Step 1. Research local food trucks and laws. When starting your food truck business, it's essential to make sure you are filling a hole in the market, supplying a demand, and operating within the law. So, you should evaluate the food truck scene in your area and research local food truck laws and regulations. This information will help you decide if a food truck is the best-fitting business for you to start. Step 2. Choose a menu, name, and logo. Food trucks are known for their clever remixes and personal flair. The most successful food truck concepts reflect their owners' interests and personal experiences. Consider popular Las Vegas Truck Bulldogis, which serves Korean-inflected gourmet hot dogs that reflect the owner's American and Korean backgrounds. Start with your menu, then your name and logo should naturally follow. Step 3. Register your business and open a bank account. When starting a food truck, you'll need to create a business entity and register with your state. For most food truck operations, an LLC makes the most sense. It protects your personal assets in the event of a lawsuit or business bankruptcy and shows vendors, insurers, and permitting agencies that your business is legitimate. Filing fees vary from state to state, but forming an LLC isn't necessarily expensive. Costs range from $40 to $500, and you can find the forms you need on your state's business office website. Filing LLC paperwork can be tedious and a little complicated. If you need guided assistance, we recommend working with a legal website like InkFile or one of our other recommended online legal services. InkFile doesn't charge fees beyond your state filing fee to file your LLC and can usually process LLC paperwork by the next business day. Starting a food truck business can cost anywhere from $40,000 to $200,000, depending on your location, the cooking appliances you need, and the type of truck you purchase. Step 5. Get licenses, permits, and insurance. Food trucks need at least 3 types of licenses and permits: general business licenses, food service licenses, and vehicle licenses. Depending on your location, most food truck licenses and permits will cost between $100 to $500 each. Your total permit and license fees can range from $1,500 to $20,000. Step 6. Procuring your food truck. Several of the permits and licenses you need depend on the type of vehicle you purchase. So this step typically happens simultaneously with your permitting process. Food trucks can cost anywhere from $3,250 for a second-hand trailer to as much as $300,000 for a new, custom-built truck, although $5,000 to $125,000 is the general range. Regardless of your budget, you should invest in the best quality truck you can afford. Investing in a quality food truck from the beginning minimizes your risk of incurring repair expenses down the road and protects you and your staff from dangerous cooking or vehicle-related accidents. Make sure your truck is fitted with equipment that's up to code, including refrigerators and ovens are working properly. Hot and cold water are available with adequate pressure. Fire extinguishers and first aid kits available on board. Proper storage for food items. Professional installation of essential equipment. Step 7. Purchase equipment and supplies. Even if your truck is fully outfitted with cooking and refrigeration equipment, you'll still need some extra tools. Generators, condiment tables, registers, and point-of-sale (POS) systems are all standard food truck equipment. Increasingly, food truck owners are adding rooftop solar panels to offset fuel costs. You'll also want to open accounts with food suppliers so you can buy in bulk and avoid paying sales tax. Step 8. Hire and train staff. Food truck owners do a lot of work themselves, but you'll still likely hire some hourly employees. Most trucks operate with a staff of 2 to 4 employees. The staff you hire should fill in skills you lack or areas you cannot pay attention to. For example, if you are an expert grill cook, you'll need to hire cashiers. But if you have a welcoming personality and are great at add-on sales, you might be stronger in a customer-facing role and hire cooks instead. If you get a lot of catering inquiries, it might make sense to hire an event salesperson to send estimates and wrangle catering contracts. Your window attendant takes orders at the truck window, interacts with customers, and processes payments. Someone with a friendly personality and cash handling experience is good in this position. Window attendants are typically hourly, minimum wage positions and may earn tips. Step 9. Market your food truck. Once you have your truck and your location all set, the final step in starting your food truck business is marketing your truck. A good food truck marketing strategy involves a combination of online and traditional marketing strategies, including social media marketing, vending at local events, building a website, and joining advocacy groups. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Please like and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe for more great videos.